There's one thing that I never run out of, and that's ideas for new videos, as well as I've been getting more and more into these e-skates or electric skateboards and these arcades, as well as obviously the drones. This is the Skydio 2, so if you're into that kind of stuff, the Skydio 2, the Mavic Air 2, I'm making a lot of videos right now about that kind of stuff. I bit the bullet and did something that I've been wanting to do for 2 years since I first got that Yeeplay, which is the board behind that, and that is to dive into a little bit of a higher end, mid-range kind of board with all-terrain wheels. Now I have no idea what this ski season is going to be like, but I'm trying to enjoy the heck out of the summer season. So I'm going to go ahead and open this and show you what is in this box. And today won't be a review of this board, but I will get out there with the drone and maybe we'll take the family out down the road and do just a little riding between the Meepo, the Yeeplay, and this. And in case you were wondering why I'm not at my regular studio and you see this background instead of what you normally see in my videos, it's because I'm building an in-home studio and I'm gonna be converting everything from there to over here. So I have more time with the family, more time from separation from my actual tattoo studio to my YouTube stuff. And I think that's gonna be a positive thing for me, which will hopefully be a positive thing for you guys, the viewers. Whoa, the box is so much bigger. So much bigger. I really hope this lives up to the hype for this. Oh, it's so heavy. It's so heavy. What a nice box compared to all the little Chinese ones that I've been buying. Maybe that's where the extra money goes, is into their packaging, huh? Whoa, oh, there is a huge quality difference just in first impressions. Oh my God. This thing's a tank, it's a beast. I am so incredibly excited right now. I am at a loss for words. That's how excited, I'm like a kid on Christmas morning right now. Yay! Oh my God. Wow. I'm speechless. The build quality on this is night and day above the others. Just like this many steps above, just in build quality alone. And I'm so impressed right now. Oh my gosh. I've been waiting for the off-road tires for the longest time, but they sold out on me again. I got the custom blue to match my FJ Cruiser. The trucks seem really nice. They're a double kingpin truck, which is something I haven't really ridden. The whole deck is carbon fiber. This little guy here comes right off. I assume I'm gonna probably glue that on because I actually sort of like the look of it on there. Just a little bumper to protect your nose. But the quality of this carbon fiber, and this is coming from someone who worked in the car industry and the custom motorcycle industry. This is really clean carbon fiber work. This is really high quality carbon fiber. This is a belt driven board, which is the first belt driven board I've ever ridden. And it comes with this cool little case with all kinds of goodies inside of it also. Let's see what's in here. Oh, I forgot I ordered these. I forgot I ordered these with it. Shred lights, reds and yellow, reds and whites. And these lights go hooked up to the front and the back of the board so I can ride it at night. Oh, you got a matching color remote. Also matches the FJ Cruiser. That remote feels so much higher quality than my regular remotes. Let me show you the difference. These are the regular remotes that I typically use. This is the new one that I just got with the Meepo. That's the one I had with the Yeeplay. And this one actually has a display and all kinds of stuff going on it. So the remote itself is just built nicer. I went a little all out and bought this extra set here also. And I did a lot of research on what I wanted. I ended up getting a 2-in-1 package, which means that I can go and switch this to on-road wheels and get a much further mileage. Supposedly this thing can go almost to 30 miles in one charge with on-road wheels and about 18 miles with these all-terrain wheels. Now I've got to set this all up before I can actually go ride this out with the other boards. Hopefully you guys are enjoying this as much as I am. Yeah, I know I'm not outside yet, but I have 2 books. It comes with 2 thick instruction books for the board. Let me do this, and now we'll go outside now. Safety feature, if you're like at a dead stop and you go to go, nothing happens. Woo! So much fun. Nothing at all. You have to actually hold this and then pull on the remote go trigger to be able to go. Right off the bat, I've already got a pinion or a belt that's screwed up. That's what that noise is. It shouldn't be doing that. I'm a little bummed that right out of the box, I already have a problem with it. One of the cool things about this remote is it shows how far we've gone, 1.8 miles so far. Also shows you a detailed percentage of the battery instead of just a high-low. That was smooth. That is the first time I've ridden like pneumatic air tires across any of this stuff, and I go over that bridge all the time with my urethanes, and that was so smooth. Usually it's ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta, but that was smooth. I'm telling you, it's so much smoother. Hey buddy, what are you doing? That was great. I'm gonna stop so you can hear them pass and hear how noisy it is, going slow. Just keep going. What a huge difference these wheels make. Huge. If you are new to the channel, make sure you've subscribed and click that little bell icon so you don't miss future updates here at the World of Oz. And if you're interested in helping support the channel, the best thing you can do is check the link in the description to the World of Oz Teespring store, where I'm putting more and more merch with all kinds of designs that I've hand custom drawn myself and come up with myself that you can buy on shirts, mugs, hats, whatever. So if you're interested in all that, let me know in the comments so I know that I can get off my butt and start making more stuff as soon as possible. Overall, I'm pretty impressed with this board. And at slow speeds, it's a little weird and wobbly. Higher speeds, it's actually pretty easy to control. I've tightened the trucks up just a little bit to get them more to my liking. It's still pretty loose, but overall, I'm really enjoying this board. I think between that, the Meepo, and the Yeeplay, I can see the quality difference. I can see the difference between the $350 board, the $650 board, and the $2,000 board. There is definitely a big difference. Now, is it worth that extra $1,200 from the Meepo or more? I don't know. Yeah, I think I have a new favorite board. This is something that I would not be able to do with my urethane boards, with my regular boards, but this thing is killing it through here. Absolutely killing it. This thing is smooth and so stable at higher speeds. I know it's only 22, but it still feels pretty stable. And with that, I'm out of here. You guys have a great day, and we'll catch you in the next video. Thanks a lot. Oh! Box is so much bigger. Oh! Oh! So much bigger. Oh! Which honestly is probably gonna work out okay because I'm not gonna be joining the racing league anytime soon. You know what today is, Gina?
What?
Do you know what today? Today is treat yourself.
Oh Lord, okay.